Hello first years, welcome to maths class. In previous class, we proved one theorem based on image of a point on the line, and we solved one 2 marks problem by using that formula of that theorem. So that is most important for 7 marks. So I think you got that theorem, and before that you got one theorem based on foot of the perpendicular of the point on the line. Okay, so almost last we are coming to the end of the straight line, right? So now today we will solve exercise problems, exercise 3D. Okay, so some problems from exercise 3D, all 2 marks questions we will solve in this class. So first, see what is the first question. Question is there on the board. Find the angle between the lines. 2 lines are given to you. We have to find the angle between the lines. So come to the first question. It is 2 marks question. Find the angle between the 2 straight lines. So given straight line equations. What are the straight line equations? First one, 3x plus 5y minus is equal to 7, I think, is equal to 7, and we can write 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0 are 2 straight lines. 2 straight lines. These are the given lines. So you consider first one as 3x plus 5y. We can write this as minus 7 is equal to 0, and it can be compared with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. We are having 2 line equations, that's why we have to differentiate. And the second one is 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is your a2x plus b2y. Generally, line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But here we are having 2 line equations. That's why to make that difference, right? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then what will be your a1? a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 5, c1 is equal to minus 7, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1, and c2 is equal to 4. Now we have to find angle between the 2 lines. What is the formula for angle between 2 lines? Cos theta is equal to, whenever you got any new formula, I said try to write that formula 2-3 times and say it once loudly. So this is the formula for angle between 2 straight lines. a2 square plus b2 square. Modulus is there. So modulus of a1 into a2. So 3 into 2 plus b1 b2 5 into minus 1 by root of a1 square 3 square plus b1 square 5 square into root of a2 square 2 square plus b2 square minus 1 square is equal to modulus of 3 2s are 6 minus 5 by root of 9 plus 25 into root of 4 plus 1 is equal to 1 by root how much? 25 plus 9, 34 into root 5. We can take combinedly root, that is 34 into 5 is equal to 1 by root of 170. So this is your cos theta. Question is find the angle between the 2 lines. So angle means only theta, not cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 170 is the answer of this question. So very simple, just compare the 2 straight lines with your general equations. General equation means ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But to make the difference, we have to take a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Find out a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Then take the angle. This is the formula, right? Try to put your formula in the box. Then it will be impressive, right? Marks will be there for the formula. Then substitute. You will get your angle. So this is your first question. Now come to the second 2 marks question. Find k if the lines, those two lines are parallel. So we know that what is the condition for parallel lines? What is the condition? We know that the condition for parallel lines is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Given line equations are what are the given line equations to us? 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0, and another line kx minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. So compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1. a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 10, c1 is equal to 3. a2 is equal to k, b2 is equal to minus 5, c2 is equal to 8. So what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 implies a1 is 6 by a2 is equal to k, b1 is minus 10, b2 minus 5. So minus cancel, 5 2s. So you got 6 by k is equal to 2. So implies 6 by 2 is equal to k. 2 1s are 2 3s. Therefore k is equal to 3. That's all for this question. So we are solving 2 marks problems from exercise 3D. Next, find p if those two lines are perpendicular. This question is parallel. Now we have to write condition for perpendicularity. So come on, write down. We know that condition for perpendicularity for perpendicular lines is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. In this question, given line equations are what are the given line equations to you? It is 3x plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0, and 7x minus py plus 3 is equal to 0. Same thing, compare with the a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 7, c1 is equal to minus 1. a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to minus p, c2 is equal to 3. So take the condition. What is the condition? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. So a1 a2 3 into 7 plus b1 is 7 into b2 minus p is equal to 0. 3 7s are 21 minus 7p is equal to 0. So 21 is equal to 7p. 21 divided by 7 is equal to p. So your p is equal to 7 3s. So p is equal to 3. This is your third question. So very simple. Whenever parallel, condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Compare that one with a1x plus b1y plus c1 and find out a1, b1, c1. When it is The second line, we have to compare that with a to x plus b to y plus c to find out and substitute in the condition. You will get your required k value. Condition for perpendicularity is this one, and condition for parallel is, that is the condition. Just to take the condition, you will get your required value. Now come to the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Before solving any maths problem, try to read the question carefully and find out which information you got it. Okay, so now we are doing fourth question. Read the question from the board. What is it? Fourth one. Find the equation of the line parallel to that line and passes through this one. So fourth one. What is the formula for parallel line to general line? So we know that equation parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by is equal to k. That means if we take two parallel lines, x coefficient and y coefficient will be same, only constant will be different. So we have to find, therefore equation of line parallel to which line? It is given in the question 2x plus 3y plus 7. 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 is, what is this? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Okay, so parallel lines, these two are parallel lines. X coefficient and y coefficient will be same, only constant will be different. Whenever not only in intermediate, anywhere in even degree also, engineering also, parallel lines means x and y coefficient will be same, only constant will be different. Okay, so given that this one passes through, given that one passes through, which point? Point is given to you 5, 4. See the question, take the points correctly, right? So it passes through this one means this point satisfies this equation, implies 2 into in x place, x coordinate, in y place, y coordinate we have to substitute. So it is 10 plus 3 4s 12 is equal to k, implies your k is equal to 22. Therefore required line equation is, what is your required line equation? From 1 it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 22, or we can write 2x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0. This is your fourth question. Find the equation of the line parallel to one line. So this is the formula if we want to take the parallel line to general equation. So x coefficient, y coefficient will be same, only constant will be different. So in that form you take it, and it is given that line passes through 5, 4. We got k value, substitute k value in this first equation, you will get your required line equation. Actually today you are having simple problems, small problems, I think easy also. You are feeling easy also, right? Now come to the fifth question. So come on, read the fifth question. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to previous problem, parallel to, now it is perpendicular to. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to one line equation and it passes through. So come on, same, what will be the line form if it is perpendicular to general form? This is your fifth question. We are doing 2 marks problems, right? So same, we know that equation perpendicular to your general equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, already we discussed about this, how x coefficient comes to y, y coefficient goes to x. So it is bx ay. Observe, y coefficient comes to x, x coefficient comes to y. In the middle we have to take negative sign. This is the formula for perpendicular line to this one. What is the formula for perpendicular line to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is bx minus ay is equal to k. So here we have to find the equation of the line perpendicular to that one. So therefore equation of line perpendicular to which line? It is given that 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is, come on, x coefficient goes to y, y coefficient comes to x. So it is minus 3x, 5y. In the middle I said negative sign is equal to k. You consider this as 1. And given that 1 passes through, it is given in the question only, 1 passes through which point? Passes through 4 comma minus 3, 4 comma minus 3. So in x coordinate should be substituted in x place, y coordinate should be substituted in y place. So minus 3 into 4 minus 5 into minus 3 is equal to k. So this is minus 12 plus minus into minus plus 5 3 is 15 is equal to k. K is equal to 3. Therefore required line equation is from 1. What is your required line equation? Minus 3x minus 5y is equal to 3. So we can write this as minus 3x minus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. I said so many times first term should not be negative. So multiplying both sides with a minus 1 on both sides you will get 3x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the required line equation. At the end, see, your line equations will be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. They can be positive, they can be negative, they can be 0. Okay, so this is your fifth question. Okay, so how we have taken previous in this problem parallel, in this problem perpendicular. So mainly depends on the formula, how we have to take the formula for the general equation when it is parallel equation to general equation and perpendicular equation to general equation. These are the main formulas, right? Simple formulas also. So parallel means x and y coefficients will be same, only constant will be different. Perpendicular means x coefficient goes to y, y coefficient comes to x. In the middle you will have negative sign. Okay, that is perpendicularity. Now come to the sixth one, last question of this class. So what is your sixth question? So I said before solving the problem, read the question and take the values correctly. Instead of plus, if we have taken minus, you will get wrong answer and you are going to lose full marks. They don't give any single marks if you have taken wrong information. Be careful. Okay, so now come to the sixth one. Find the equation of straight line perpendicular to that line and making intercept minus 4 on the x-axis. So here it is given that we have to find such a line which is perpendicular to 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0, and that line making intercept with the x-axis. So first you take the line which is perpendicular to that line and convert it into intercept form. Why we have to convert it into intercept form means in the question it is given that intercept is minus 4. It is given that intercept is minus 4. In any question, intercept information is given to you means you have to convert the problem into intercept form. Then you take the given situation. So come on, now we will solve the sixth question. What is the sixth question? Find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to that. So first we need perpendicular to that line equation. So come on, equation of straight line perpendicular to, what is the perpendicular, which line perpendicular we have to take? 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 is. So now only I said, whenever we have to take a perpendicular line to any line, we have to take x coefficient goes to y, y coefficient comes to x in the middle, minus sign is equal to k we have to take. So here also your y coefficient comes to x and x coefficient. Coefficients means multiple. Y coefficient comes with x and x coefficient goes with y, in the middle minus sign. This is called the perpendicular line to any line. Okay, so find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to this and making intercept. So this is only perpendicular line, okay, but we have to take the intercept on x-axis as minus 4. In the question it is given that perpendicular line makes x-intercept as minus 4. So you have to convert this line into intercept form. Already we discussed in one class, full class we discussed transforming the general equation into intercept form, slope intercept form, like that we discussed. So whenever we have to convert any line into intercept form, I said try to get one right side. So here 1 means we have to divide. Okay, you consider this as 1. Now you take 4x minus 3y is equal to k. I said right side we have to get 1. So dividing this equation with k. To convert any line into intercept form, first thing is we have to convert the right side value as 1. Intercept form means which form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. That is called intercept form. So this side we should get 1 first. So try to get that 1 from this equation. So why in the question x-intercept is equal to minus 4 is given, we have to equate. If any condition is given, we have to take that condition. So for that sake, divide both sides with k. So then come on, write separately 4x by k minus 3y by k is equal to 1. But here plus should be there. So we can write this as 4x by k plus 3y by, I will give that negative sign to this k, so is equal to 1. It makes no difference, we can write it, right? So again observe, to get into this form, here only x should be there, here only y should be there, but we are having here 4 and here 3. So send it downwards, it will be x k by 4 is equal plus y by minus k by 3 is equal to 1. Now purely into intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Exactly your question or your equation, straight line equation is now in your intercept form. A and b can be any values, x by something plus y by something is equal to 1 is called intercept form. So where a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. So here your x-intercept is, what is x-intercept? K by 4, and y-intercept, just compare this with this, y-intercept is equal to minus k by 3. What is the given information to us in the question? It makes intercept minus 4 on the x-axis. That means its x-intercept is minus 4. It cuts the x-axis at minus 4 distance on x-axis. So it is x-intercept. So therefore, given that, what is the information given to you? X-intercept is equal to minus 4. So x-intercept we got it as k by 4. K by 4 is equal to minus 4, implies k is equal to minus 16. So therefore required line equation is at the end. We got our k value. How we got? By applying that condition. Which condition? The intercept of x-axis is -4. This is little bit challenging and interesting problem also, isn't it? Those are normal problems, but this is like this. You have to enjoy such problems, right, which are challenging. Okay, so just first you have to take a perpendicular line to this line, then convert it into intercept form and equate x-intercept with the given value -4. You will get your k value. Therefore required line equation is, what is the required line equation? From 1 it is 4x minus 3y is equal to k minus 16. So come on, 4x minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0 is the required line equation. At the end again it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Standard anywhere line equation means it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A, B, C can be positive, negative zeros. Okay, so this is your 6th question. All are 2 marks questions and selected questions from your exercise 3D. Okay, so practice nicely. So first one is angle between the lines. So for that cos theta is equal to, one formula is there, but angle means only theta. So send cos that side, you will get your angle. For the second one, it is given that the lines are parallel. Condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. You will get your k value. Third one is lines are perpendicular. Your condition is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Apply the condition, you will get your p value. Next one, find the equation of the line parallel to one line and passing through 5, 4. For that you are having parallel lines means x and y coefficients will be same, constant will be different. And next, find the equation of the line perpendicular to that line and passing through. So whenever perpendicular, x coefficient comes to y, y coefficient goes to x in the middle, minus sign comes. Standard formulas are there, so you have to by heart the formulas and try to keep the formulas inside the box so that marks will be there for the formulae. If you know the formulae perfectly, then also you can't substitute the values directly. You have to mention the formula, then you have to substitute. Okay, so practice the problems perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.